Hola everybody, hello amigos, welcome to the next episode of Cooking Classes with the Private Chef. So what we have today? Today we have a vegetarian paella, especially a mushroom paella. This is now the end of November, but I don't know when you see this video, whenever. We have very nice mushroom season, and we have nice forest and mountain mushrooms with some cultivated mushroom, and this is what's going to give the base of our paella for today. We are going to make it in an induction stove, so you can easily recopilate this recipe, you can follow my instructions, and you can get a very nice paella, same as mine. So let's see what we have today for this paella. So for the ingredients, we have first of all the mushrooms. These three types of mushrooms. This is white, the black trumpet, and this is cultivated, just the kind of oyster mushroom, it seems like. We have the rice, which is a very good quality bomba rice. It's important to cook it with bomba. You can cook with other type of rice as well, of course. The rounded rice is the adequate rice, but bomba supports much better to the cooking. It absorbs more liquid and keeps the shape of the rice round. So when you put in your mouth, you get an absolutely different texture, a different sensation in your mouth. You get a round sensation instead of those mushy thing. We have some smoked paprika, some paella seasoning with saffron, salt, olive oil, tomato. We have a tricolor pepper, just to give a little bit more life into this paella, more color. The colors are always good in cooking and in all the situations in life. Garlic, of course, half of onion. Normally onion doesn't belong to the paella, but this time we're gonna add to the paella because we want to reach more flavors, because it has no chicken, it has no seafood, so we need more flavors, and the onion will help us to achieve this kind of point, this point of the flavor what we want. And vegetable stock, of course. Okay amigos, what I'm going to make is to proceed with the base of the paella. So medium heat the pan, medium high heat, and while is it heating, I'm going to chop the onion. This is the basic onion chop, and I start with the onion because it has a lot of moist, and when I toast the onion well, going to give us a very nice flavor. And add the onion. When you think that you are quick, you can do this on high heat. Let's go with the garlic. I just smash the garlic with my knife and then just chop garlic. And then just chop the garlic. Garlic, a very basic thing in Spanish cuisine. This is the soul of the paella, garlic. And same, our pepper, give us a nice color. Also give us some flavor. Move it a little bit of salt. So we chop all of our pepper. And we're going to slice the tomato. This part we cut out. Okay, the onion is getting golden brown, and the pepper and the garlic. And look at how colorful is this now. I cut now the tomato, same dices. So I have now, this is toasting, I got the tomato diced. When it gets a nice golden brown color, I will add the tomato. We need that golden brown color. We need that color for flavor. And when you see this beautiful thing, you're gonna add the tomato. Keep stir frying. And now I'm going to wash my mushrooms. Okay, so I have here I'm making the base. I fine cutted the mushroom. I fine cutted the onion, the garlic, the peppers, and the tomato. And I cutted all the mushrooms I prepared. At this point, I'm going to add some smoked paprika. And some of this. And I'm going to add the mushroom. Smells wonderful. I'm cooking this on medium heat. I add a little bit more salt. Look how delicious it looks right now. Now I'm going to add the rice. Approximately 90 grams per person. Stir fry a little bit. I'm going to add the vegetable stock. Cook it for 20 minutes. Approximately a half a liter of vegetable stock for approximately 200 grams of rice. 5 minutes, high heat. Okay, so sometimes I give it a stir. I move a little bit. Cook it nicely. Every part. So good. It smells so good. Okay, so our paella is getting to evaporate all the liquid it has. I'm going to give it a little move for the last 5 minutes. I will cook under cover. I'm going to cover it with an aluminum foil. This is for the last 5 minutes. Just because I want to spread the heat evenly everywhere in the pan. So while our paella gets ready, I'm going to make a pesto alioli, which is just regular mayonnaise with our homemade pesto. I'm going to mix it. A little bit more pesto. And this is our pesto alioli. You have to make a pesto. You can see on another video which you can find in the description. I'm going to put this into the pastry bag. And we will decorate the paella with this. Okay, time is over. I'm going to turn off and wait 5 more minutes to rest the rice. Okay, we have passed 5 minutes. Let's go to discover paella. Ooh, you can't imagine how it smells. Look at this. This is for now. And I have the pesto alioli here. I'm going to decorate a little bit. A little bit of lemon. And voila! This is our mushroom paella for today lunch. Okay guys, amigos, thank you for watching. I'm going to serve a few portions of this paella and we are going to have an amazing lunch. I tell you how is this, but this is just looks stunning. Buen provecho. So flavorful. Mushroom. Very nice taste has this mushroom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.